Trump Media has moved another 2,650 Bitcoin, valued at approximately $205 million, to Crypto.com. The transaction took place during late U.S. evening hours, as noted by blockchain data. This follows a similar transfer of 2,000 Bitcoin worth $175 million months ago. Taken together, these movements suggest a pattern in how the company is managing its Bitcoin holdings. The latest transfer occurred as Bitcoin continues to trade significantly below the price at which Trump Media originally acquired the coins. The company had purchased 11,542 Bitcoin for about $1.37 billion at an average cost of $118,522 per coin. Today, Bitcoin is trading near $77,341, which has widened the gap between the acquisition price and current market value. This has led to an estimated $455 million unrealized loss on the company's Bitcoin holdings. The ongoing pressure on Trump Media's crypto strategy is becoming more evident as these large transfers continue. The company's Bitcoin portfolio is now significantly underwater, and each transaction adds to the scrutiny surrounding its financial decisions. Analysts are watching. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Closely to see whether this is a strategic move to reduce exposure or part of a broader plan to manage losses. The timing of the transfer, which occurred during late U.S. evening hours, may indicate an attempt to avoid public attention or to execute the move during lower trading volumes. The blockchain data is publicly accessible, and analytics firm Chain has reported the transfer, adding transparency to the transaction. This is the second major Bitcoin transfer in recent months, and the pattern suggests a deliberate effort to move assets out of the company's control. The first transfer of 2,000 Bitcoin happened at a Bitcoin price of around $87,378, and now the company is moving a larger amount at a lower price. This could signal increased financial pressure or a shift in strategy. The market is closely watching whether Trump Media will continue to move Bitcoin in this manner and what the long-term implications might be. The company's Bitcoin position is now a major factor in its financial health, and any further large transfers or price movements in Bitcoin could have significant consequences. Investors and analysts are now looking for the next signal, whether Trump Media will continue to move Bitcoin or take a different approach to its crypto holdings. The mechanism of these transfers is straightforward, moving Bitcoin from a company-held wallet to an external exchange wallet. This process is transparent on the blockchain and can be tracked in real time by anyone using a blockchain explorer or analytics firm like Chain. The stakes are high. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Because each transfer reduces the company's Bitcoin holdings, and given the current market price, may not be recouping the original investment. The next signal to watch for is whether Trump Media will continue to move Bitcoin in larger or smaller amounts, or if it will pause these transactions altogether. The company's actions will likely influence investor sentiment and could affect perceptions of its financial stability and strategic direction. Until then, the market will remain closely attuned to any further movements in Trump Media's Bitcoin portfolio.